We just got off our cruise ship and now it's time to explore the port of Nassau. Come with us for a walking tour. Just have to go through security up here and then we can start our adventure here at the port of Nassau. Okay, we just made it through the security checkpoint and right behind us where we're going to start is the Museum of Junk and New. So let's start the tour and see what the Nassau port has to offer. Morning, morning. Walking past the port amphitheater, sometimes there's some shows here that you can catch if you're docking on a day that there's stuff going on. Today it's pretty calm and chill. That's pretty much the main port area that's enclosed, but just outside of the port there's a whole bunch of other local shops, so we're gonna go take a quick walk down there too. All the way down at the end of the street, you'll find a Senior Frogs and some other places to shop and eat. But let's have a quick look inside the world famous straw market.
Across the street, I have neighbors here.
The straw market here is definitely a place where you can haggle a bit more. Some of the shops within the port section, they're not as open to making a deal. The price is the price. You can always try, but it's places like here and the other shops that are outside that are really souvenir that I'm sure you can ask for a bit of a better price. We're continuing down the main streets here on Nassau. We're going to check out some more of what's to be found. If you're looking to catch a taxi, you can find some right outside the port, and there's even a taxi stand as you just walk in. There's also a lot of vendors trying to sell different tours on you, swimming with pigs, going over to Atlantis. So just be prepared for that when you're starting to walk across the city and even through the port. If you're craving a Burger King, some food from back home, there's a Burger King down there. Nassau, the home of the Whopper. Rolex store across the street, and then a little further down you will find a Starbucks if you're craving a iced frappuccino. Cruise Port's down that street. We'll be going back there in a second. There's a place that we can cut through a little back alley just up here. That's a store we shopped at. We got a couple of birthstone bangles. Good deal, 2 for $5. If you're traveling now with kids, that's a good little gift to pick up that doesn't break the bank. And this store down this aisle, everything inside of it is $5. And outside, there's a few things that are a little higher priced, but look at these cool Coca-Cola, Sprite, Fanta can cars. Those are $20. I was tempted by them. They are sturdy. I just don't trust myself bringing it back in one piece. There's definitely a lot more to discover out there. This is a pretty good sized cruise port, but the section we're going into inside is the official Nassau Cruise Port area. I was kind of wondering, is the prices higher inside the port compared to outside? Yes, you can haggle a bit more outside than inside, but the prices for a lot of things aren't too bad. The store we're about to walk by, again, the Global Portier, is pretty good. There was also a place called House of Assembly. It had a lot of cute, unique designed items that are very specific to the Bahamas that I would definitely encourage you to check out. And that's also located right next to the Global Portier. That's going to wrap up our walk of the Port of Nassau. Hope you enjoyed yourself. We've got some more Nassau Cruise Port videos coming, including a $50 shopping spree. Find out what we can buy for only $50 walking around the port and the accompanying streets. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe for more Nassau and Cruise Port videos.